Hi, this is Rebecca with LectinFree.Me, and I don't know if you've watched any of my meal plan with me videos, but I'm always going to Natural Grocers. And today I thought I would share with you my favorite soaps from Natural Grocers. My bath soap, my husband's bath soap, our clothes soap, and our dish soap. So these are products that we've tried over the last few weeks and we have been very pleased with them, so I thought I would share them with you. I'm going to turn the camera around so I think you can get a better look at them rather than me holding something up and you trying to go, what is that? So I'll be right back. Okay, let's see, where do we want to start? Maybe with the bath soap. This is my favorite body wash. It is by the Seaweed Bath Company, and it is a hydrating, smoothing body wash with, what does it have in it? It has seaweed in it, of all things. My favorite scent is the citrus vanilla. It kind of smells like dreamsicles. I don't know if you guys had those as a kid, but like the orange sherbet and vanilla flavor. Yeah, that's good. It smells really good. And it's very lathery. I really like it. So, I have very dry skin, and this has been awesome on my skin. I really like it. Let's see, what does it say? It says, with natural ingredients, Maine seaweed. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's K-U-K-U-I, kukui oil, neem oil. It's gluten-free and paraben-free. It's vegan and cruelty-free. And this is hand-harvested Maine seaweed. And the Seaweed Bath Company is out of Austin. So if I can find a link, I will link this down below. But if you have dry skin, give this a try. It feels awesome. They had a couple other scents. I don't remember what they were off the top of my head, but this was the one that I liked the best. Now, just staying on bath soap, my husband has oily skin and he washes his hair frequently, and usually a lot of the soaps will strip his hair and his scalp ends up dry and it's just not good. But this soap, which is Everyone soap, he really loves this. It's doing very good for him. It's a 3-in-1 body wash and shampoo. Oh, look, it says it's a bubble bath. I might have to try some of that in my bath water. Okay, I have a new baby goat, so its mom is trying to find it. So sorry about the bag. This is the mint coconut flavor. Or I should say, this is the mint coconut scent and the one that we liked the best. So this is good for shampoo and for body wash. And my husband is a welder, so he gets pretty dirty, and this does a really good job. Let's see. I'm going to assume that this is BPA free. It's gluten free, GMO free, no synthetic fragrances, cruelty free, and it says please recycle. I highly recommend this. They have a whole bunch of different flavors. They have a whole bunch of different scents, so you might give that a try. And I'll link that down below if there's, I don't know if some of these are just from Natural Grocers or if you can get them elsewhere. This is an EO Everyone product out of Marion, California. It says made in the US from domestic and globally sourced ingredients. Okay, and then dish soap. This is a BioClean product, and my hands really like it. This particular one is the lemon thyme, and it smells great. I really enjoy doing the dishes and smelling this. It's kind of like aromatherapy while you're doing dishes. Yeah, I need incentive to do dishes. This works for me. We were using Dawn before this, and I would say that I don't know if this cuts grease quite as good as Dawn, but if you've got some hot water in this, I haven't had any trouble with it. Let's see what it says. No animal testing, and don't put it in the dishwasher. I can't read the ingredients because the type's too little and my eyes are too bad, so sorry. Here, I don't know if you guys can read it. Let's see if my camera will focus on it. Oops. There you go. If you can read that, more power to you. So anyway, I'm really enjoying this. In fact, I need to go buy some more because I think this is empty. And then the last soap is, again, a BioClean product. And like I said, my husband is a welder. I should say he's a welding teacher, but he welds like almost all day. And his clothes are dirty. They're like really dirty. And this is the best stuff. And this cap, I don't know if you can see this. Let me take it off. This is a little bitty cap. And I just fill it up to there. I'm getting soap everywhere. And it does a large load of heavily soiled clothing without any problems. Highly, highly recommend this. And he is very allergic to soaps, and we have not had any issues with using this one. This is the fragrance-free version. I'm not sure if they have, I'm not sure if they have different scents, but we always buy the fragrance-free one so my husband's skin doesn't get irritated. Looks like it's all just plant-based everything. Yeah, looks like it's all plant-based, which I would imagine that the dish soap is too. It does say plant-based with extracts. These clean very well, and I highly recommend them. So that's my 2 cents on the soap that I like at Natural Grocers. And if I can find any links, I will leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.